virus and fuck going around, so ain't no supposed to talk about that shit. I mean, again, Cam Newton, he probably gonna go to the Chargers or the Steelers. I would definitely like to see Cam Newton on the Chargers. Cam Newton on the Chargers, that's a boom squad. That's a fucking boom squad. And Jameis Winston on the Steelers. The team about to be, I don't think they're going to be good anymore, man. The Patriots, man, new quarterback coming in town. Probably going to be a rookie. I hope it's Jalen Hurts. I really hope it's Jalen Hurts. Yeah, just pick up one of these rookies in this class and we good. Got a little drink. Just about to be vibing to some music and fuck, man. Before we go any further with any music and fuck that I'm listening to, I don't own rights to any of this fuck. So don't sue me. Well, you guessed it. You were right. It's a different type of Jizzle-May-Care that going on tonight, man. Today, tonight, whatever time you're watching, I just listening to music, sipping on some, you feel? I need a refill, bro. Sipping on some. Who had them at the ballpark used to be like, yeah, man, this my thing, yeah.
When you and I become as one, it's in the trip to me. When we move to the melody, come on and give it to me, baby. When you walk your way.
I was about to do music. I was about to do a whole bunch of dumb shit. But you feel me? I feel like a lot of people just need wisdom about what's going on in the world. I know I'm watching the news, all type of shit. This is just my intuition, you feel me? My intuition telling me that the virus, if you're watching this shot, when the fucking vaccine comes out, do not take the do not take the vaccine. Do not, I repeat, do not take that shit, bro. And do not give your kids that shit either. Humans gotta learn how to nurture nature again, man. Like, I feel like if we nurture nature, the world would be a better place, you feel me? I know I hear that beat, man, but ain't worry about that, fuck. Nature is nature. Nature won't do you nothing if you don't bother it. If you nurture nature, nature would never do you anything but bring health to your body. You know, put your phone down, just follow it, bit, and just walk outside. You're gonna feel better, I'm telling you. You're gonna feel a lot better. Put a game down. Go walk outside. You're gonna feel better. It's gonna take your mind off of what's going on in the world, you feel me? Exercise is a great way of doing that. Exercise, nature, like just seeing different shit. Travel, do shit. Like, you just stuck in one place. If you stuck in one place, you'll never be where you want to be if you stuck in one place forever. Never. Like, when the last time you really went outside and just look at the shit around you? Like, I know you don't drive every day, but you don't realize all the shit that's going on around you. You don't notice how all the trees look weird and fuck. Like, it's a whole bunch of dead-looking trees now. Like, it ain't because it's fall or none of that fuck. I talking about the trunk of the tree. Like, that shit don't look right. That shit look unhealthy. I see that the wall itself, it getting healthy again by itself. But that's because people are staying inside. And they ain't putting all them fumes in the air and all the dumb shit that be going on. But you see that 5G fuck. What the fuck? The radiation coming off that fuck. Hey, ladies, make sure I keeping them phones off our stomach, you hear? We ain't want to kill them eggs. Yeah, man. Shit. It's just a lot of shit. I'll probably like, yeah, this nigga drunk, so he just talking. That. Being drunk don't affect what the fuck I did. One thing this virus teach me is that we, as a people, I ain't talking about race, I just talking about as a human race. You got a lot of nasty people in this fucking world, bro. You get people that don't drink water. You get people that don't sanitize their hands. You get people that don't wash their hands. Alright. Nasty like what? You know, your body is majority water, just like this art. So why the fuck wouldn't you drink water? Yeah, the virus. Calm down, mama. The virus serious, but ain't as serious as everybody thinks. Like, bro, you should have just been washing your hands. Just keep up with your health, and you good. This virus shouldn't affect you if you been keeping up with your health, you feel me? So certain people like myself, I ain't scared of this fuck. I'll go out and let somebody cough on me. But if you cough on me, just know you're getting boxed. Don't do no dumb fuck like that. Don't sneeze next to me. Don't do none of that nasty fuck. I won't say bless you. I mean, ain't gonna look at you no fuck up with. Cause that fuck is still spring, dude. Motherfuckers got allergies. Motherfuckers get all type of different shit going on. You feel me? Dumb shit when this cup done, I done. I guess I done. As always, give thanks to whoever tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Definitely comment. Cause I want to see what's our opinions on everything that's going on. Not to sound like an asshole, but people die every day, ain't gotta be from this virus. So I want to know our opinion on this fuck. And as always, man, from your boy Jizzle, stay blessed. Yes, sir.